I see somebody's over in the hot wire. Oh, don't do that. Look at that. She's trying to kick his truck. 99% of working cattle is tricking them into something. Aha. Tricked you. Hey, it's a brand new day on Gillum Farms, and you would be hard pressed to realize that we were in the middle of an ice storm yesterday here. I couldn't even get down to where the cattle are. Right here is Gordon and the heifer being cantankerous as always about getting out of the way so that I can feed them. And it's mud city out here, guys. I mean muddy. So anyway, I'm gonna feed these and I'm gonna check on that calf because I haven't seen the calf in almost 2 days. It is late evening here and still just as foggy as it can be from where stuff's trying to melt off. So anyway, let me get these calves taken care of here. The heifer and the steer right here. All right, got those fed. Here's the rest of the crew. Most of them. I see somebody's over in the hot wire. This little surprise is over there, has gone through the dang hot wire, so, and has done it right over in this area right here. So I'm gonna have to fix the hot wire. Oh, pain in the butt. Went through right here in that area. And I think he's already came out of it. All right, gotta tighten that up on the way back out. Anyway, all the cattle right here, they ate their entire bale I put out just the other day. They've eaten that one, it's gone. Oh, get out of the way, yeah. That one down there, I don't know why they won't eat it. They just will not eat that one. All right, we got eating going on right here in the middle of the road. A little Miracle and Mama. Come on, guys. Fast food in the middle of the road. Golly. Oh, and that's why we can't have nice things, guys. Right here. That's why we can't have nice things. Get on, get on. Get on. Get on. I'm trying to get through here. All right, let's see if I can get on down here and get these cows fed without too much trouble, because they're going to try to beat me through the gate or go through the gate at the same time as I do, and whenever that happens, there's not enough room for this truck and all them cattle at the same time in that gate hole right there. And what they'll do is they'll run just inside or something, and then they'll stop because they're waiting on me and I can't get past them. I'm coming too, guys. We're all going to have to go through together. Wow, it's a mud hole out here. Oh, don't do that. Look at that. She's trying to kick his truck. You're trying to kick his truck. Get back. You kick his truck, you ain't got nothing to eat. Fed over there. You gotta see what's left. There's quite a bit left in here. But I've got some here with me and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in. Messy day. day. All right, that is got a lot in it. Yeah, and they can get to that, no problem whatsoever. That's about half used up. Little Miracle is over here sucking mama like crazy. Pond is all thawed out. This is our spring and it's really rolling. That hole of water that those cows kept drinking out of the whole time whenever it was wet is right there. So it's just rolling right on down into the pond. The pond is just full. It is full to the top down there. All right, I wanted to show you this. This is a spot where this spring runs into the pond right here. And you can tell the pond is way up. Still mostly covered with ice, but it's mostly all, I mean, it's just real slushy ice. It's about gone. And so the cattle, they've been getting a drink right here a lot, and all the way up and down this stream right here. So it wasn't like that they didn't have water during this cold spell. They did. They had a lot of water. And it's, you can see the rain. You can probably hear it hitting my hat, my coat. But it's raining right now as I speak. It's a muddy, mucky mess all over the farm here. But the cows can drink now. And this pond is just in really great shape. I need to take that tree down right there. That thing needs to go away before it falls in the pond, because that's what the lean is toward the pond. So that's where it's going to end up, is in the pond. I'm really not looking forward to that. So anyway, let me head on up here and take care of the hay situation today. Always something. Well, apparently I didn't shut this gate in time right here. This is where the heifer and the steer was eating at, and they are in here now. But I was able to shut the other gate before they got into the paddock with the cattle down there. All right. And it is raining, guys. Raining right on down. And this thing has stretched this wire right here, which happens. So what I've got to do is take up the slack in it. That little sucker. Let me see if I can get some hay out here for these critters. Yes sir, Dale. This kubota has started work every single time in all this cold. Every time, without a hitch. All good, guys. Here's the current situation, folks. These two got into this paddock right here. That's Gordon and the heifer. So what I've got to do is I've got to get them out of here, and they're not with the other cows because I've locked them out of the pond paddock. So, but I've got to move them back up front so I can turn these cows back in here. So let's see what happens here. Oh, I'm going to tell you something. Right there is the feed deal, and there's some feed. And 99% of working cattle is tricking them into something. And that's what I'm trying to do, is trick them into something right now. So let's see what happens. Come on, guys. Come on. Set this right here. Come on. Come on, Gordon. Right, this is the tricking part right here. Always trying to trick them. Come on. Come on in here. Sir, come on. Come on. So, come on. Come on. Come on. What I mean by cattle tricking. Back in there. All right. Now I can finish up with these cows over here. All right. Got the bells out for them. Get this over this one. Turn the big cows back in here. Guys, today has been comedy of errors. All it was supposed to be a simple feed and put out some hay. That's all it was supposed to be today. Those cows got in here. They wouldn't leave these cows over here. I was finally able to get these cows in here, so I got them some hay. I've got two bales right here out, one right there and one right over there. I had to trick those cows into going back over there. But look at what a great looking cow right there. And here's little Miracle. Little Miracle. Been her little miracle self. She went through the ice storm just perfect. She's gone through everything just perfectly. Good little calf. This one right here is probably the next one's going to have a calf right here. This is a heifer. She is getting big. Coming. And of course, proud Papa right here. Old Danny boy. What's not to like about Danny? And I was going to show you guys something right here. This is the pond, the little pond. And this right here, it's not so much that the ice has melted as it has rained on top of the ice, covered the ice, and now the ice is melting under the rainwater. You can see the ice under the water out there about 2 inches under. So the pond has filled up enough. The pond has come up, you know, enough to where it's the rainwater is actually over the ice. So, and I'll try to put a shot of that ice in this video. anyway, here are all the cattle. I'm trying to feed them on this rough ground right here to try to cover it up. And I've got some wire and stuff I got to pick up that was in here. This was a big, huge burn pile. At one time, monster burn pile. I've got to pick up this pile of wire right here and dispose of it. And then I'm going to feed all over it like I have been doing and get good cover over it. Need to pick up these logs too and throw them into a pile right over there. One of the things that's really hard to believe is that Danny Starr will easily be as big as his daddy at some point. And so that's going to be the next herd bull right over there, the white face. All right, and this is the one thing that whenever I first got here, that calf was in there. Well, it was because this was off. So let's make sure it's working, and it's a working. You can see the green light flashing. I've tightened it up. It's all good to go. So hopefully we won't have no calf in there next time. Anyway, if you like this rainy, messed up chore day that I have had today, of course I still smile and laugh about it, because you know what else you're gonna do that I've had today. Then like, comment, and subscribe. I'll continue to bring more content in the future. And as always, everybody, God bless. Ha ha, tricked you.